guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best hardscaping leads using Coldlytics. So let's get into this. So we're going to start by selecting small business. We are going to Chicago today, and I'm going to lock that in. I'm going to probably increase this radius to 30 as Chicago is huge. I'm going to hit next to lock that in, and we are targeting hardscapers today. If you clicked on this video, you probably know what hardscaping is, but if you're just curious about targeting various industries using Coldlytics, hardscaping is similar to landscaping, but where landscaping is working with the greenery and the plants that are alive, hardscaping is specifically more to do with the non-living parts of making your outdoor space look more appealing. So this could be bricklaying, or laying down tiles, or any like anything with the inanimate objects. So I'm gonna hit add to lock that in, and then next, and then we are looking for owners and founders, and we're looking for directors and executives. We are targeting just the owner, but in case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll cover for that case. Filter, I'm coming at this as if I'm a digital marketer today, so first thing I want to go is my Google reviews, and I want to make sure that they have between a 3 and a 5. That just means they're a reputable company, probably going to be easier to work with than somebody outside of this lead, which is the benefit. Outside of this range, which is the benefit to you. So next, lock that in. We are going to add another filter. Now, I want to know their page speed. This is a great intent. This is a great intent filter, as it'll determine if they care about SEO and optimizing their website. If they are, we want to know if they're above a certain speed. So we're only targeting companies that aren't there yet making their website super fast. They can still have some work. They're easy companies to reach out to because you automatically know of a problem that you can fix, which is your page speed is slow and it's hindering your SEO. So I'm going to set this to over 600 milliseconds for the minimum. So basically, it'll just target the websites that are still fast, but not fast enough to just take no SEO penalty from Google. Next, we'll lock that in, and we're going to go to our deliver step now. I'm going to reset these filters, and I am going to just select all these, but I am going to really lock in on the sort of when I get my lead sheet, I'm really going to look at the marketing metrics here, like Google review count, score, GMB profile, if that business claim. We're going to ignore direct dial as we are getting the verified emails. And nobody wants a call from somebody trying to sell them somebody. I think it's much more appropriate to send it in an email. So we have all their social media. Great for seeing again how much they care about marketing. Revenue, headcount, and data established. I great sales metrics. They'll take your 100 good contacts into 20 great contacts when you start looking at these data points. The ad pixels are useful too. Again, creates intent. Do these companies care about marketing? And if they have an ad pixel, they usually do. So they'll out of the gate be a lot easier to work with. We want to check all these technology ones as well, as it'll just show us what they're working with. Is their website on WordPress, or do they have e-commerce hooked up to their website? All great metrics in determining if this is a company you want to work with. And if you do want to work with that company, the best way to approach into selling them your services. So I'm going to hit next on the data points. I'm going to finish. We're not going to add any additional notes. Make sure to give it a title, as I have Hardscaping in Chicago. Make sure to set your contacts required. Here I have 100. I'm going to save this as a draft. And I'm going to go back in. Sorry. I'm back in my task now, but I just clicked back into it. The reason why I save it as a draft, in case I launch it and then I want to cancel it to change something, I'm not starting from scratch. So that's the reason why I do it. It's good practice. So I'm going to launch my task. And as you can see, it's allocating, which means that our researchers have it, and they'll have your lead sheet within 24 hours. And yeah, that's how you find the best hardscaping leads using Coldlytics. So Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.